wow, you don't know this person? That's crazy. You know, like they've been in all the movies. How do you not know them? Like,
These niggas groupies, they peons, man. King of my city like Leon, man. Hit of these niggas by Eon, man. She let me touch for the free on, man. So you know that's a must like Elon.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do kind of like a fun video, and we're gonna search the top search questions on Google about black people. Let's see what you guys gotta say. Okay, so first question that pops up: are black people getting coronavirus? Why would you ask that? Like, is that a thing? Is that a thing to ask? Like, are black people just getting coronavirus? No! It's everybody. It's everybody. So, we're not gonna get into it. We know who typed that in. Why do black people have black gums? I'm black. I don't have black gums. I have pink gums. So, depending on like what shade of black you are, you're not gonna have pink gums. And sometimes we're just born with it. Like, I don't understand how is that a question. Like, we're humans, right? We're allowed to be different, just like we have different skin tones, different eye color, different hair textures, different hair color. Some of us will have different gum colors. Like, is that really a question? Why do black people wash meat? That's something that it's a germ thing. What can I say? It's a germ thing. You have to wash your meat because with all the extra added hormones, preservatives, and a lot of American farms nowadays are injecting these animals with a lot of hormones, and some of them are in cages. I'm sure you can go on YouTube and search most of these videos, but most of them are in cages surrounded by other dead birds, cows, and whatever, living in their own feces. They take those animals that are caged and basically kill them and serve it up to you on a plate. So how we look at it is kind of like, yeah, you got to disinfect your meat. You don't know if there's any worms in there, anything that's going on. Just better safe than sorry. I mean, yes, you kill whatever bacteria when you do heat it up, but you don't want any extras in your thing. So why do black people wear do-rags? So guys wear do-rags to keep their waves intact. Women wear bandanas, bandeaus, bonnets, wraps, or whatever to keep their hair down, keep their hair flat. A lot of us wear silk ones because our pillows at nighttime, we toss and turn. I know for sure I toss and turn, and it just causes breakage in our hair, and we just want to do it and keep our hair looking fly and looking cute. So that goes to answer your question. Why do black people age better? Black don't crack. We have melanin. We have high pigmentation. So with the high pigmentation, it causes our skin to adapt better to the sun. And I'm sorry to say this, but Caucasian people, when they go out in the sun, what happens is that they burn. A lot of times, sometimes if they're out in the sun too much, they get skin cancer, or they start to get wrinkles and they start to age from that radiation from the sun and to whatever aspects are in life, whatever elements that we're all exposed to. So because we can handle the elements and the sun rays much better, and like, what's gonna happen when we go out in the sun? Like, I know me personally, when I go out in the sun, I get much darker. You know, I don't get red. I just get much darker. You know. So, why is it so hard for black people to be on time? Is that a question? Most of us, we're like human beings. Like, you can't say all black people are late, because that's not true. You have some black people who are on time continuously forever and a day, and they don't miss anything. And I know me, like, if I really put my mind to it, like, I'm on time, you know. And there's times where I'm like, if I'm taking forever and a day, especially with my makeup, I'm going to be a little, excuse me, I'm going to be a little late. So I think the most time that it takes is pretty much to do my hair and do my makeup, because we can't just go out looking any sort of way, because we as black women, we get judged a little bit more. I mean, guys don't care. Guys don't care about their appearances, but women do. So why do black people look at your shoes before they greet you? I didn't know that this was a thing. Normally I look at people's face, their hair, their eyes, but I don't look down at what people's shoes. Like, that's kind of weird. Not everyone does that, but normally when people look you from toe to head to toe, they're basically checking you out. And maybe your shoe caught their eye, whether it's a good shoe or your shoes look like crap. So, yeah, what are those? What are those? Oh my god. Why are black people so addicted to watermelon? Like, is that a thing? Let me sit back for a second. Is that a thing? Well, I know me personally, I like watermelon. It's not a race thing. I mean, watermelon does taste good. I mean, you as a white person, don't you like watermelon? Okay. So, it's not a thing. It's just something we like. Just like some people like peaches, some people like apples, like watermelon. Watermelon is not a big thing. Why do black people get upset when we don't like other black celebrities? I don't think that's a thing. Me personally, I don't get upset if you don't like a black actor. Like, if it's a known black actor, then I'm gonna be like, oh wow, you don't know this person? That's crazy. You know, like, they've been in all the movies. How do you not know them? Like, yeah, you might say or do that, but it's not really a thing, you know? People are not gonna be like, oh, you don't know this person? Oh my god. Like, no, we don't do that. So, calm down. Why do black women like to wear their natural hair? You never question a woman about what she wants to do with her hair. That is her. It's her head. Why is America making natural hair a thing? Like, just like women have like natural hair, like, this is a wig. Like, check out my last video, but this is a wig. Like, god, like, some women, some black women like wearing their natural hair, and there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of times, like, the natural hair might be big, fluffy, and wavy, but once they get it relaxed or straightened, like, their hair looked like any other white person hair. Like, we just like to wear it at a natural state. You know, there's nothing wrong with wearing afros or anything. It's just our hair. You know, you just got to be more comfortable with people wearing their natural hair. You want people to be honest with you. You want people to be true with you. Well, respect them for wanting to show and wear their natural hair. Okay? Just like white women or Hispanic women. You walk out of bed and you go like, and there you go. That's your natural hair. You're not straightening it. You're not curling it. Everything else is just extras. Do white people really believe that black is beautiful, or is it just something that really sounds good? Wow, that kind of hurts. Me as a person who dates white guys or who likes being in biracial relationships and who have dated black guys, I mean, like, you can ask the question, like, why do black guys date white women over their own races, right? But again, we're all humans, we're all people. It doesn't matter who we date or who we find beautiful. We all have our own preferences. So if your preference is a white woman or a Hispanic woman, that's your preference, right? Why do you find white women attractive? Why do you find Hispanic women attractive? We are women in general. We are humans in general. So, okay. Why do some black men only date white women? That is, again, previous question. That is a preference, you know. Some black women get really, really bad, really, really mad about that. So, it's just a thing. It's just a preference, you know. Everyone has their own cup of tea, you know. Like, me, I've dated black guys. I've dated Puerto Rican, Hispanic, Colombian. Just getting off topic, but like, yes, I dated Hispanic guys, I was happy. I dated white guys, I was happy. I dated some black guys, I was happy. But again, everyone has different preferences. Just like I prefer white guys and Hispanic guys over black guys because of the fact that I just have better relationships with this side better than that side. And sometimes black guys can't handle a strong black woman and they feel like they would need to go over to white women. So hey, that's a cup of tea. Why are black people so angry? I don't think black women or black people in general are angry, but I do think that we do have some underlying issues and aggression when it comes on to different races because of the whole racism thing, and the racism culture has not died down. Like, it's been, I don't know, 150 years or so, 155 years, I don't know, you know, and we're still calling people the N-word, we're still talking about people's skin color, we're still asking these weird questions. And I'm just like, you need to have a black friend around you or a black person so you can understand these, instead of you going to the internet or Google trying to get these questions answered. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. We're all humans, again, we're all one, but again, based off what has happened in the past and all the stuff that's happened, it kind of makes black people a little upset. We're not angry all the time, but we are a little upset, especially when someone crosses the line and calls us out of our name or tries to belittle us or berate us. Like, it's not okay. Why are black people always looking for a discount? Isn't everyone looking for a discount? Don't we all want a discount? Like, I want more bang for my buck. Like, I got into it. Like, this shirt, Fashion Nova. This hair, $43. Like, I don't want to spend that much money. Come on now. Some people spend $200, $300, $400, $1,000 for their appearance. I don't want to spend that. So anywhere I go, I always want to bang for my buck. I always want to save my coins, so I don't have to spend extra money. I mean, it's a thing. It's not a black people thing. It's an everything thing. I mean, if you're going to say, why do black people always looking for a discount? Why are white people always carrying coupons? Answer that question, and then you have your answer to this question. Well, that's about it. I don't see anything else on Google. I think they're not trying to offend our race with those questions, so. If you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any suggestions, please comment below and tell me what you like, what you don't like, and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and catch me on my next video. Bye.
It's amazing to me how my baby pull up with a fat ass and the skinny waist. It's amazing to me how I spend all this money and 90 for myself. It's amazing to me how these niggas don't know me but still find a way.